How you doing, folks? This is TJ from Ethico Software. Today we're going to give a demo of qTweeter 2.0, the fastest, the coolest, and the most efficient way to update your Twitter and Facebook status on the iPhone 3G, the 3GS, and the iPod Touch. So how cool would it be, folks, where if you wanted to send out a tweet, wherever you were on the iPhone, all you had to do was slide down your finger from the status bar, enter your tweet, select the send button, and have it update your Twitter and your Facebook status. And once that's done, just slide your finger up and go on about your business. That's qTweeter for you, folks. Because think about it. Normally, if you wanted to tweet with one of the App Store Twitter apps, you have to exit the current application you're running, go find that Twitter app, launch that Twitter app, wait about a bazillion years for it to load. Once that app loads, I'm loading, then you select the compose button and then you can compose your tweet. Folks, we think this is just so 90s and this is so archaic and inefficient. With qTweeter, you never have to leave the current app you're running. You simply slide down your finger from the status bar, enter your tweet, and go on about your business. It's fast, it's efficient, and it's just flat out cool. But that's the tip of the iceberg with qTweeter. qTweeter is loaded with a bunch of features that'll make your tweeting experience just absolutely awesome. We support uploading videos through TweetPic. And I said videos, sorry. We support uploading pictures through TweetPics. We do support videos, and I'll get to that later on. So for uploading pictures, we do it differently. Those App Store Twitter apps, they'll give you some junky icon. We don't do that over here. We'll give you the full preview of the image that you're about to upload. So I'm going to give you an example of that. I'm going to add a photo from my library from a baby of one of my friends. And as you can see, it gives me a full preview of the image, such that when I'm typing, I can actually see what I'm typing. So I can call this the cutest baby ever, if I can spell, and upload that to Twitter or Facebook. As you can see, it makes the experience just much better. So that's uploading pictures. I jumped the gun a little bit and talked about videos. Yes, we do support uploading videos through TweetVid, and we're the only Twitter app that will be able to do it for the iPhone 3G and the iPhone. Yes, those App Store Twitter apps, they will never in their wildest dreams be able to support uploading videos on the older iPhone models, but we can do it. And you can record a video using Sidecarder, or you can add a video from the library of Sidecarder on these older models. If you're using the newer iPhone 3GS, it will just take it from the video library of the iPhone 3GS. So I will just select that video, and as you can see, it's put that video icon and I can upload it. So that's uploading video with qTweeter. Now, another great feature with qTweeter 2.0 is that we support tweet shrinks and also long tweets. Let me explain long tweets to you. There's certain times when you use Twitter that 140 characters are just not enough. And it can be really annoying when you want to fully express yourself in those instances and you're limited to 140 characters. Well, that has been solved with long tweets. What long tweets let you do is type in as many characters as you want, and you can still send that to Twitter or Facebook if you want. So I'm going to give you a demo of that. So I have pre-made a pretty long tweet, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it. Let's see, I'm going to select the tweet, and I'm going to copy it. And like I told you earlier on, you never have to leave the current app that you're running. So I'm just going to go in there and I'm going to paste it into qTweeter. Okay, and I'm going to press the send button. And as you can see, in this case, I'm presented with two options. I can tweet shrink. Now, we recommend tweet shrink in most cases because you want to keep in the spirit of Twitter and keep your post within 140 characters. Or if that would be Facebook, that would be 160 characters. But in those rare cases where you really need to fully express yourself, you can then use the long tweet. And once you select post long tweet, qTweeter will do the remaining magic, and it'll be sent to your Twitter and Facebook. And when your friends access it on their desktop browser, they will get a page like this that's beautifully laid out with your long tweet. So that's long tweets and tweet shrinks with qTweeter. One of the things I really like about qTweeter a lot is that you can finally tweet without the distractions. That's right. There are many cases where when you want to tweet, you don't want to be distracted. You're really busy. Maybe you're in a meeting or something, or you're doing something really busy, and all you want to do is just send out a tweet. Well, this is virtually impossible for the most part with current Twitter apps in the App Store. Because when you load these apps, you're essentially bombarded with all the tweets of all your followers. And next thing you know, you're replying, you're retweeting, you're checking the trends, and things of that nature, which is essentially at that point in time what you don't want to happen. But with qTweeter, all you do is slide down your finger from the status bar, enter your tweet, and you're good to go. So tweeting without the distractions is also another really good feature that will make you efficient throughout the day as you use your iPhone. Final feature I'd like to go through that I think is also really cool is quick tweets. What quick tweet does is that it essentially lets you tweet certain things that you're doing on your iPhone. So for instance, if you're watching a YouTube video, okay, you should be able to tweet that video after you watched it. If you're reading a web page in Safari, you should be able to tweet that. Also, whatever music you're listening to, you should be able to tweet that to your Twitter followers and your Facebook friends. And I'm going to demo music quick tweets for you. So now I have a music playing. And you know, during that time, there's certain times when the music is playing and you just want to share it with your friends. It's like the coolest song you've ever heard. Okay? So now I'm going to just start playing the song. And like we've done before, let me lower the volume. Like we've done before, all we have to do is slide on the interface, select that iPod icon, and it's going to pre-fill our tweet with the artist name, the song title, but more importantly, it's going to provide a link, at this time an Amazon MP3 link, that allow your friends to preview this song and also purchase this song. So that's quick tweets with qTweeter. So how do you get qTweeter? Well, you can't get it in the App Store. Apple is never going to approve this application in its current form. So the only way you can get it is by jailbreaking your phone. It's as easy as ABC123. Once you jailbreak your phone, you go to the Cydia store and you can get qTweeter. So that's it, folks. This is TJ again from Ethico Software. If you want to hit me up, I'm on Twitter at twitter.com/theafricannerd. Once again, thanks for looking at this demonstration. I'm out.